Hi guys, Corey Scott here, criminal defense attorney here in Indianapolis, Indiana. And I want to let you in on a widely used trick that the police officers will use in order to get you to give consent to search. And now here's how it goes. You get stopped for some type of traffic reason. It could be just a number of things. It could be you were speeding or you didn't signal a lane change or whatever. But anyway, you get stopped. Police, they come up to the car as they normally do. Ma'am, sir, do you have your license? Do you have your registration? You comply, you give them that information. And then this is what they'll say. Now, Mr. So-and-so, you don't have anything illegal in your car, do you? And you'll say, no, I don't. I don't have anything, officer, whatever. And then they say, well, you don't mind giving us consent to search then, do you? You don't mind if we take a look in your car and search the vehicle, do you? And so notice there's two questions there. One is, will you give us consent to search? The other is, you don't mind if we, look around and look in your vehicle. So either way, if you say yes, if you just simply say yes, what are you saying yes to? Are you saying yes that you give them consent to search? Are you saying yes that you do mind that they look around your vehicle? Or if you say no, are you saying no, I don't mind if you look around in the vehicle? Or are you saying no, I don't give consent to search? So it's very vague. So depending on how you answer that, they can use that to say, well, Mr. So-and-so gave us consent. Or Mr. So-and-so told us it was okay to look in their car. And that's the way they'll write it up, to say that you actually gave them consent, when in reality, there's just some confusion in the language, because it's a vague question and it's a multi-part question. And depending on how you answer it, they can use that in order to trick you and get consent to search your vehicle. So here's how you get around that, though. Instead of just saying yes or no, you want to be very, very specific. And you want to say, something to the effect, officer, I know that you're just doing your job, but I do not consent to any type of search. And there you have it. When you answer that way, there's no ambiguity. There's no way for them to say, oh, well, I thought Mr. So-and-so was giving us permission, or I thought Mr. So-and-so said it was okay, because you've made it very clear at that point. So again, what you want to say is, officer, I understand. Be very polite, of course. No need to be mean. I understand you're just doing your job, but I don't consent to searches. And then you stop talking, because at that point, you clearly exercise your right to say no, to not consent. And so you just simply stop talking. And just simply by being very specific and not allowing them to get you caught up in the wordplay and the multi-questions that they like to use, you've now saved yourself from a situation to where your car has been searched and they make it seem as if you've given consent. I really hope that this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions for me, feel free to call me, email me, get in contact with me one way or the other. Until the next time, just remember, if you have to be found guilty of anything, be found guilty of greatness. Take great care. Until next time.